For many disabled individuals, their wheelchair is their lifeline. But what happens if it breaks down? Getting it fixed isn't as easy as taking it to a local shop. That's where a new bill in the Empire State titled the Consumer Wheelchair Repair Bill of Rights Act comes into play. And ABC 22's Jamie DeLine has more.
Shamika Andrews says her motorized wheelchair stopped working while she was at her local mall. It stayed there for 2 weeks before the wheelchair vendor was able to take it for repairs.
Once they picked it up, I asked them when I would be able to get it back. At that time, they weren't able to give me an answer. I received the chair back 2 months later.
A new bill in the state Senate aims to make wheelchair repairs faster by requiring manufacturers to provide parts, tools, and repair manuals so people can have it fixed independently instead of by the manufacturer. It models similar legislation passed in Colorado.
We believe this bill would open up more competition, not violate warranties when somebody can do minor repairs themselves or their family member can help with minor repairs.
Democratic Senator Pat Fahey co-sponsors the legislation with Republican Senator Jake Ashby. He says not having a wheelchair can greatly impact everyday life for those who need them.
If they do not have that wheelchair with them in the morning, are they getting out of bed? Are they eating? Are they getting dressed?
He explains the importance of custom-made chairs.
Some people may say, well, they can get kind of what we consider a rental, right? A different chair while their chair is in flux. But sometimes those transport chairs, as you'd call them, chairs that are not custom to them, can actually be detrimental if they spend more time in them.
The senators and advocates are hoping the bill passes before the end of session. Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.